Life insurance in Huntingtown, Maryland. Term life insurance provides death protection for a stated time period. Term life insurance is perhaps the simplest form of life insurance. It was developed to provide temporary life insurance protection on a limited budget. Since term insurance can be purchased in large amounts for a relatively small initial premium, it is well suited for short-range goals such as life insurance coverage to pay off a loan or providing extra life insurance protection during the child-raising years. In most states, term insurance policies are offered providing level premiums for 5, 10, 20, and 30-year periods. These policies can be renewed or continued at higher premiums in most states to age 85 or 95 as stated in the policy. Life insurance sites often do not sell life insurance policies at all, rather they sell your information to one or many local agents. Make no mistake. Recognize the difference. Sites that are valid should display the life insurance broker's name and included a listing of the states the term life insurance broker is legally licensed and legally appointed to conduct business. Term Life Insurance Quote is a free service dedicated to helping you with all of your life insurance quotes and term life insurance quotes needs. We offer access to a nationwide network of life insurance and term life insurance experts. People buy life insurance, term life insurance, because too often most of their other plans fail. They buy it because they realize they need a protection for their families after their death or for a reserve for emergencies and additional income for later years. Provide cash and income needs on an immediately following death, such as unpaid bills and taxes and other obligations. Prevent a family suddenly dropping from its accustomed standard of living after the death of the breadwinner. Supplement income when earning power is destroyed by illness of accidents, such as covering medical expenses.